Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to another session of Qur'anic Arabic recitation with Tajweed rules. In this lesson, we will be studying the 12th lesson of Al-Qaida Nuraniya on page number 22. And this slide is just a reminder for transliteration purposes. الدرس الثاني عشر. الدرس means lesson. الثاني عشر means 12. So this is 12th lesson of Al-Qaida Nuraniya. And this lesson is about Shaddah, and this is the sign of Shaddah. So what is Shaddah or Shaddah? This is the notation for Shaddah, and it means the doubling of a consonant. When a consonant is doubled in Arabic, its pronunciation is prolonged. So these are some of the examples in English. For example, we have the consonant S at the end of bus and S at the beginning of a stop. So when we pronounce them together, we say bus stop. And similarly here, freight train. So these T, two consonants coming together. And here unnatural, these two consonants coming together. So this is one of the examples in Arabic. So this ba with shadda means that ba is doubled, and the first ba has absence of vowel, that is sukoon, so ba sukoon, and the second one has fatha because it's fatha here. So this word can be explained in this way, but we don't write it in this way. We have to write it that way. We don't see this way of writing in Arabic anyway. We don't write a double vowel in this format in Arabic. Instead, we write it in this format. Similarly, this is another example. Hamza fatha ba shadda bas kasra abbi. And we need to remember that this kasra can be written here, or instead of here we can write it here as well under the shadda. So both are correct. So if the kasra is written under the letter or under the shadda, both ways are correct. So this ba shadda kasra can be written as ba sukoon, that's absence of vowel, and ba kasra, so abbi. We don't see this way of writing anyway in Arabic. We write it as this, but this way of writing means this: Hamza fatha ba sukoon ba kasra abbi. So this is the third example where we have Hamza fatha ba shadda dhamma abbu, and this ba is doubled, is written as ba sukoon, absence of vowel, and then this dhamma, ba dhamma. We don't write two consonants together in Arabic, but we write it like this. So now we use this shadda in practical examples. The first word we have is Hamza fatha ba shadda ab ba fatha ba abba, and it can be divided into two syllables. The first syllable we have is Hamza fatha ba shadda ab. Hamza is a light letter, it has fatha on top of it, it is followed by ba, ba has a shadda, and this alif is silent and uses a chafe for Hamza. Hamza fatha ba shadda ab. Hamza fatha ba shadda ab. Hamza fatha ba shadda ab. The second syllable we have is ba fatha ba. Ba is a light letter, it has fatha on top of it, and it is prolonged for one count. Ba fatha ba. Ba fatha ba. Ba fatha ba. Combining both syllables together, we have abba, abba, abba. The next word we have is abbi, and it can be divided into two syllables. The first syllable we have is Hamza fatha ba shadda ab. Hamza is a light letter, it has fatha on top of it, it is followed by ba, ba has a shadda. This alif is used as a chafe for Hamza and it is silent. Hamza fatha ba shadda ab. Hamza fatha ba shadda ab. Hamza fatha ba shadda ab. The second syllable we have is ba kasra bi. Ba is a light letter, it has kasra underneath and it is prolonged for one count. Ba kasra bi. Ba kasra bi. Ba kasra bi. Combining both syllables together, we have abbi, abbi, abbi. The next word we have is Abbu, and it can be divided into two syllables. The first syllable we have is Hamza Fatha Ba Shadda Ab. Hamza is a light letter, it has Fatha on top of it, it is followed by Ba. Ba has a Shadda. This alif is used as a che for Hamza and it is silent. Hamza Fatha Ba Shadda Ab. Hamza Fatha Ba Shadda Ab. Hamza Fatha Ba Shadda Ab. The second syllable we have is Ba Dhamma Bu. Ba is a light letter, it has Dhamma on top of it and it is prolonged for one count. Ba Dhamma Bu. Ba Dhamma Bu. Ba Dhamma Bu. Combining both syllables together we have Abbu. 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 Now all three words we have Abba, Abbi, Abbu, Abba, Abbi, Abbu.